A deal is made in the Greek capital to transport gas to Europe. Signed by Greece, Israel and the Greek Cypriots, it's also backed by EU cash. The East Mediterranean pipeline is expected to cost $7 billion and help reduce European dependency on Russian gas. But it's also on a collision course with Turkey.
This is one of the biggest natural gas pipelines in the world. It will have positive impact for the countries participating in the project. It is also a contribution to peace and geopolitical stability because it proves the intention of our countries to look at energy as a link of cooperation between the peoples and not as a reason for conflict and confrontation.
The subsea pipeline will start in Israel and will be up to 2,000 kilometers long, linking the Greek Cypriot administration on Cyprus, mainland Greece, and then on to Italy. But last month, Turkey signed an agreement with Libya's UN-backed government to create their own exclusive economic zones in the Mediterranean. The East Mediterranean pipeline runs right through it. The deal made during these meetings raised other questions too. Some industry experts doubt whether it's financially viable. At depths of up to 3,000 meters and travelling through an area prone to earthquakes, its costs could shoot up. Turkey and the Turkish Cypriots are also drilling in the East Mediterranean because they say the Greek Cypriots have refused to stop and include the Turkish Cypriots. Turkey says any plans that exclude it and the Turkish Cypriots won't succeed. And according to experts, a pipeline linking the gas fields to Turkey could reduce the costs, but political differences stand in the way.
The thing is that, and the problem is that there is no legal formula, given the fact that there has been no solution up until now of the Cyprus issue, for the Turkish Cypriots to be included in this procedure. But there is enough gas in the Eastern Mediterranean to satisfy every involved parties.
The island of Cyprus has been divided since 1974, and the two sides in the dispute over the issue of gas have settled along similar lines, meaning one issue often feeds into the other. While the meeting was being held in Athens, the Turkish Cypriot President, Mustafa Akinci, released a statement saying that the pipeline project showed that now more than ever a solution was needed for the Cyprus problem, and that the best way of resolving the dispute was for everyone to work together. But the chances of either happening at the moment seem very remote. Andrew Hopkins, TRT World.